of our app. So if you click on app icon, it will take us inside the app. So at first we can see our starting page, and it will show us a login page. So here we can give a user ID. Let's give one of the user ID admin and its password. 123. Here we can see the password if we want, using our eye icon, and then click on login. If our user ID and password is correct, so it will take us inside our account. So here from navbar, if we click on our profile, it will take us to our profile. So here our profile information are given. Now if we want to update our profile picture, we can just click on here, and let's select one of the images and click on update profile picture. So you can see that our profile picture has been updated. We can also edit the other parts of the profile from here. If you click on edit profile option, so it will take us to our edit profile page. Here we can select our division and unit and appointment. So the thing is here is that for each division, the unit and appointments are different. So whenever we change our division, so the unit and appointment under it is removed, so that we can select the correct unit or correct appointment for the division. So after selecting them, we can create an update profile. So from here we can also update our profile picture if we want. Now when we click on update profile, it will take us some time and the profile will be updated. So here it has sent us to our home page. So you can see that our updated profile image is here, and also the division, unit and appointment has also been updated. We can also change our password if we want. So let's give our uploaded password, 3, and new password, 4. Just we added another 4 at the end of our previous password. Now if you click on change password, so you can see that an alert message appeared that our password has changed successfully. Now from here we can also check that our password has changed. Now let's go to we have another part called add user. From here we can see all the users account and their necessary information, and from search option we can search them if we want. And from add user, here we can add new user as we are admin account. So necessary information, we'll select on create user, and let's see if the user is created and taken. It takes us to, so you can see that the user has been created successfully. If we go on user control, here we will be able to see the user that we have already created. So next we can also disable the user, and if we disable the user won't be able to access his account or log into his account. So let's disable the upper. So you can see that the color has changed to red. Now if we just log out and try to log in as upper, so let's try to log in as Abrar. So you can see that the server is not letting the user Abrar log in because his account was disabled by our admin. So let's log in as admin again. So from user section, we can also see that the updraft's color has been marked as red, as he has been blocked by me, by the admin. So for chatting, let's chat with someone 2x63. So when we want to chat with an user, we have to select our chat date and set an encryption key before we start our chat. So let's set an encryption key. I am Sayed talking and click on OK. So here if we send hi, what's up, we can also select image. So this way, after we select the image, so the image was also sent perfectly. Now here we can set the timer. So the timer we can set is minimum 1 hour. So the message needs to be at least 1 hour old. The message has to be deleted automatically. So let's select our timer 1 here and see if the message get deleted or not. So timer has been set. Now if we come back and see the recent chats, we can see our recent chat that the user has been added here. Also the last date and the time of the message was also included here. Now let's chat with someone other person, like let's chat with Rafi. So let's set an encryption key. I am okay. So let's send a message to Rafi too and come out and see the recent chat. We can see that our recent chat has been updated perfectly. So you can see that Rafi has recent messages and it has 100 number of 100 messages, number of messages received and total message received. So if we click on admin here, so we have to set the same key if we want to check the messages. So let's select that and we can see that our messages are shown here, Rafi. Let's send the admin also a message like admin, and let's come back. And so as Rafi is user, we can see that he has only home 100 messages and also logout options, so we can't access our admin services. So let's log in as admin again. So if you log in as admin now, we can see the 100 messages is 1, received message is 1. So total received message is number 1 at the top. Now if we go back to a recent class, so as Rafi has sent us message recently, so his name has come on top and the time and the date is also shown here. Now if you click on Rafi and let's select the key, we can see that Rafi has seen our messages, so his messages are marked as read with the blue double icon. Now we can also delete the message if we want. Now let's delete this message and the message will be deleted. So this was the part of our message. So now we have seen the messaging part. Now let's show you another feature of our app, that is if we click on the icon and let's set a wrong key, like let's say a random I am, and click on OK. So we can see that our malicious user has been identified and all the messages has been encrypted and the images are also blocked here. We can't access it, and we can't also do our real-time chat. Now as we are admin, so we can see our track malicious user page. So if you click on it, it will show us a Google map and show us the exact location where which user at which location has, like at what time they have inputted a wrong key. Now if you click on like the icon, we can see that it was admin at 11:38 a.m. when he input a wrong key. Now if we go like zoom it in, we can see our location here. So as at present as I am around near Shapnoswa building, so our location is like seen here around Shapnoswa. So we can see that our locations and other important informations are also being tracked whenever we input a wrong key. Now if we want to check next, as there are no other malicious user at present, so they are not appearing here. Now after checking all other malicious user, we can also clean it. So the malicious users have been cleaned. So next feature we have is unread messages. As we have read all of our messages, so none of the messages are unread. So let's do one thing. Let's go and log out and log in as this account. Now if you click on login, it will take us to his account. Now if we go, we can see that our received messages are 3 and unread messages are 3 and total unreceived messages are 3. So if you go like unread message section, so we can see that there are like 3 messages that have been sent to me. The time and the other information of the messages are shown here. Now if you click on it and we want to see the messages, now let's give our key and click on OK. There we go, our messages are shown here. And if you go to home page, so we can see that we have read 3 messages and we no longer have any unread messages, and we have received 3 messages and total received messages are 3 at the top. So this way our number of messages are also being tracked here, and our recent messages are also being tracked. So that was all our message features. Let's check another feature, that the user don't have to pass his user ID and password again and again if the user has already logged in before. So as our admin has already logged in, so we didn't have to pass the user ID and password again, and we were taken to our home page. So okay, now let's check another feature, which is push notification. So now that our app isn't open and we are in the background, let's send a message from another account to our admin account. So let's send it from Abra. So after Abra has sent message, so we can see that our notification is appearing here, the new message from abra@gmail.com. We can see that our recent chats has been deleted as it has passed the 1 hour time limit that we set.